something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. It's something about her. Say, ooh, it's something about kind of woman that wants you but don't need you.
Now what I see is look what I got. Look at what you taught me. Yeah, for that I say thank you. Thanks, thanks, thank you. Thanks, thanks, thank you. Thanks. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex.
So guys, I'm going to show you how to style your braids when they're almost through, of course. And you always want to ensure that your hair is not too tight whenever you're going to style your hair, because the tension will tear your hair. So my braids are almost through, so I'm going to take them out as soon as possible. So I'm just going to show you a few styles, maybe 5 or 6. Alright, so here we go.
You should be inside crying too. I am inside crying too. You should be inside crying too.
Fidigram, where you there? Inside, inside. Inside, inside. Where you there? Inside, inside. Inside, inside. Inside, inside, inside. Inside, inside, inside. Inside, inside, inside. Inside, where you are do? Aye. Me just a chill inside. Netflix inside. Yeah. Mega box inside. Me and my wife a cuddle inside. Food I cook inside. Curry chicken pan the stove, butter bean to the side. Grace, high grade still a bun. In a fi me house, no time the fun can done. Any man build a virus a wicked. If you not sanitize your hand, then you stupid. Make a TikTok dancing video now, post it. Wall of vibes if your phone them no cook it. Boy, you know see Ramesh radio gone live. So me can't boring for the night. Deja text me say bro you a hide. Me say no, true you just buy car. Go inside. Where me there? Inside, inside. Inside, inside. Where you there? Inside, inside. Inside, inside. Inside, inside, inside. Inside, inside, inside. Inside, inside, inside. Inside. Where you are do? Me no know, but me know who nah go out there. I mean, bro, you me just ask if you nah bother keep for your own robbing this Friday. No, right now me afraid of people. No long me not even see my vehicle. You a do the right thing, bro, your family need you. Me gone on me yard, gone go quarantine too. Where me there? Inside, inside. Inside, inside. Where you there? Inside, inside. Inside, inside. Inside, inside, inside. Inside, inside, inside. Inside, inside, inside. Inside. Where you are do? Aye. Jaja. The pandemic you have away. No fair way, I'm mad inside right now. But what we are gonna do? I for our own safety. So stay inside.
I'm a Superman, a thanks to Lois Lane. It's the way my problems when I went insane. Took me from the depths when I lost my name. Ooh, it was something I could live for. Now everyone is wondering what's the change. They don't recognize I have so much to say. And I never thought someone could love someone so much that they'd give up on everything. You know, I will be there when you need me. I will be there when you cry, baby. I will be there when you need someone to tell you that you're beautiful, baby. I will be there when you need someone to run with. I will be there when you need someone to dance with. I'm your lover till the skies turn gray, girl. Cause you're beautiful, baby. It's your beautiful, oh you're beautiful. It's your beautiful, baby. Yes, you're beautiful. It's your beautiful. It's your beautiful, baby. Feel butterflies when I'm in your hands. You can turn the pavement into white sand. You can make a moment a memory in a glance. And I can't believe anyone else. Everybody's talking, you're always shining. You never stop listening, baby. And I never you cry, baby. I will be there when you need someone to tell you that you're beautiful, baby. I will be there when you need someone to run away. I will be there when you need someone to dance with. I'm your love it till the skies and gray, girl. Oh, you're beautiful, baby. Till it's beautiful. Oh, you're beautiful. Yes, you're beautiful, baby. Oh, yes, you're beautiful. Yes, you're beautiful. You're beautiful, baby. Chimney, new government, give thanks. Sing it. You know, every day, realest thing here in our world, brother. We give thanks. For real. You spend all that money on your watch. How much time you spend with your son? So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick and choose the friends where you keep. You now watch where you eat. When last you get a good sleep. The simple things are your blessings. Simple things are your blessing, your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. You better notice your blessing.
Sing it. Simplicity we use to survive. Many find it difficult because them ignorant and I. One alone they get you not go live another life. Telling them again but I know in another device. Life don't get chance too often. Cut out some of the sadness and invest in a laughing. Time you take a stress, lifetime passing. Tell them say you love them for you see them in a coffin. Let me tell you this, man, I got good days, bad days. You know say you with up. Me would have trade house and car and shed up. Just to get 1 more minute with my brother. So you better spend time together. Cherish every second of the day where you're there. Gotta tell you that you're the close one yesterday. You put an angel over me.
The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessings. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessing, your blessing. Simple things, them are your blessing. You better notice your blessings. We've got life, so let's live. You make the time to chase the paper. When last you say your prayer. We've got life, so let's live. And while you're worshipping your treasure, remember nothing lasts forever. The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. You better notice your blessings. The simple things, them are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. You better notice your blessings. Simple things, oh the simple things. Health and strength, oh the simple things. Let me tell you about the simple things. Family and friends, I know simple things. You better notice your blessings.
When I'm a real bad girl, them pop up and link me. Say she want give me king treatment, guess she feel kinky. Me never feel like cheap, but she start convince me. Me say me there for my way and them she say she message me. She say she don't sleep now nowhere. She don't sleep in nowhere. Say she ever need me over there. Say she ever need me over there. Pull her door and me see her chandelier. She let me see her chandelier. Look how me they take me wicked. What a girl can. When you say pop up, it was spontaneous. Yes. That kitten they make any man famous. Me know you love me, but you know you're too zealous. And you just a link me just to make your man jealous. Me tell the girl to shift because she say she what? She now we're not. Me tell me something dirty, she whisper. She now we're not. She say she don't sleep now, no.
If you like this video, please subscribe, share, like, and drop a comment in the comment section. Tell me what video you'd like to see come next. Alright guys, peace out, stay safe, and remember to stay at your yard.